the recording started late again. What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button in Roblox. And yeah, what? I think I started too late, actually. It's always the middle. It's always the middle. It's the middle. I'm clicking the middle right now. It's not working. It's not working. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah. See, guys? See? Oh, it went into my eye. Well, that's unfortunate. Coin. It's time for a trivia question. Yay. I don't know. 2019. Yay! Yay! Oh, if you can't tell, I've never played this game. Oh no, no! It's already breaking! It's already... How heavy am I? How heavy am I? I already took out like half of the platform. Because of my big back. Oh my god. It hasn't even started yet and it already... Oh no, oh no. Okay, good thing I made it through there. Coin. Bleh. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. If only jump was a thing. He wants money, 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 money. I'm Kawachang. Forgot I had sprint. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, it's unfair to the people who has the speed coil. I'm acting like I don't have it myself, but like, it's still unfair, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it's unfair. Whoa, okay, chill, I'm running. I can't see because of my big fat body. I think, yeah, that's how to escape. Is my voice clear? I still don't know. Hopefully it is. Oh my god! I'm already dead because that darn sign killed me. Oh, it disappeared. It killed itself. Click. What? Oh, I hate this one. I hate the one where you have to catch ducks. I have to catch my own family. Can you believe that? I remember the trick where you have to jump to get it earlier than everybody else, but everybody already knows that trick. Oh, and the other trick is to go on first person mode. I don't think it's working. I don't think it's working that well. How many? Only 3? No. Only 5. 6? Dude, I could have tied. Double coin. Double. Dude, you can't do this to me. I was on the far end. No, you can't do this to me. I was trying to get the double. It was bait. The double coin was bait. Oh my god. Why is that there? Oh, okay, we made it. Don't worry. Hey, we could have... Mountain climber. We could have jumped on... Oh my god, someone died. Guys, it's not that hard to fall. Okay. Click. No. Okay, this guy... I think he knows what... Okay, never mind. Wow. Okay, I know this is a teamwork one, so I could have done it too. But like, come on, who does that? Hey, that's unfair! See? No! What? That's unfair! That's unfair. Someone had a jump coil. Where's that girl? Where did she go? Oh, I think she... No. There's a fire on my laser. Brah. Click. Click. Why is it not clicking? Click! It's not clicking. Oh, there you go. Hey, am I a zombie or a survivor? I think I am a survivor. I'm not sure. Where's the zombies anyway? Oh, I think those are the zombies on the yellow platform. Oh, they're coming close. When we go there and the zombies are there too, we might have to juke them, chat. Oh, that guy's going back. Oh no. Oh no. We have to juke them. Don't. Nah. That is crazy. No way, I'm making it. No way, I made it. Yeah, I'm so pro, guys. The duck is so pro. Imagine if last second I became a zombie. Oh, here. Found it. See, guys, I'm the proest of them all. I remember trying to go back and forth because I thought you could get like infinite dupes of the coin. Yay, open. I'm the first one to get it. I'm the first duck to get it. But yeah, you can't get it again. So sad. When was this game last updated? Probably a long time ago. Has this game even ever updated? No, I don't even know. Oh, whenever I click it doesn't work. Oh, no, go back, guys. Oh. Hope that guy's okay. Wee. There all the boulders go. Hey, is it okay if my big fat duck body kind of sticks out? Oh, that girl's risking it. Next second we see her dead body. Oh, never mind, she made it. Wait. Oh no, she didn't. She's there. Oh. Oh, I don't think. No, we're not gonna make it. I forgot how the boulder works. Oh no. Okay. It's alright though. I survived. I forgot how the boulder. Why doesn't it click? Nah. My big fat duck body's gonna take up all of the space. That guy's so tall. Stop. It's just me. Now we know how it works. Oh, no, it's going down, guys. No, she died again. Oh, okay, that girl's running. When we're there, I think when we go down, we can risk it too. Oh, that guy's... No. Get in. We made it, chat. Did you make it? No, I think it's only a one-person thing, actually. No, I should have followed him. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Make the duck the king. Where am I going? This is stressful, okay, guys? It's not your average day thing to do this. I will not be the king. I will be the queen because I'm a girl. Who's Hello Kagan? Hello Kagan. Hello, There's a copy. Banana. I forgot how it went. Oh, it's the same thing. Guys, for the trick of this, it's always the middle. It's never random. It's always the middle. See, it's always the middle. It's never like the sides. It's always the middle. See? It's always the... It's not... Oh, dang. Okay, that's creepy. Oh, it went in my head. Not my eyebrow. What time is it? 1:53. Nah. Can I change my vote? Okay. Whenever it says, we're always dead. We will fall as a team. No. Oh, it's the boulder thing. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Dang. Is it because of my fat body? No, right? They're not. Oh, again? Seriously? I just came back too. Maybe the middle is in the right place. Maybe it's the really, really far edge. This is the farthest we get. This game is targeting me. Nah. What lasers? Oh. Beep. Oh, someone died. Beep. Oh, someone died. Beep. Oh, someone died. I should stop. Nobody's dying anymore. Yeah, no. I guess. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a good day. Oh wait, no. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and watch another video if you want to. Bye.